Everyone, hope you are doing well. Myself, Pallavi. Today I am going to introduce you with one of the interesting topic regarding training and placement. Are you confused which technology we should learn or which is the best platform for training and placement? Then this video is for you. I am going to suggest you the best platform for training and placement, that is SP Global Solution. We provide courses like Java, Python, testing, mainframes and .NET. So you might be thinking, why only SP Global Solution? First, any graduate candidate, you might be from IT or non-IT background, they have good knowledge about coding or less knowledge. We will suggest you the course where you can build your career. We are giving 100% job placement. So the benefits for joining SP Global Solution are: firstly, along with technical classes, we are also providing free communication and aptitude classes. Secondly, it is a full-time training. Thirdly, we can conduct daily exams and mock interview. Fourthly, we are also providing a lab for lab practices.